Hello, my name is Vadim Gordon, and I'm the lead mentor for ComeBack Mobility. To succeed in rehab, teams need to simultaneously execute on 3 goals. First, create a device that patients will actually care about and use. Second, offer value that providers will actually prioritize and refer patients to. And third, save payers enough money on a population basis to drive both substantive distribution and revenue for the payer and the startup. In the several months that I've worked with EDI and NISA, they've not only put ComeBack Mobility on track to executing on all 3 of those goals, but they've also shown themselves to be persistent, coachable, and resilient founders. This team will succeed by sheer force of will. I'm honored to have had the chance to work with ComeBack Mobility and the other Fort Worth Techstars teams this cycle, and to have been asked by EDI and NISA to introduce them today. And so with all that being said, please join me in a round of applause and welcoming EDI to the stage.
Step on the foot harder. Step on the foot softer. Step on the foot harder. Step on the...
Recommendations for post-surgical care are still the same, like 60 years ago. And now, a revolutionary product has come along to change the standards of treatment. Вітаю! My name is Ilya. I'm the CEO and founder of ComeBack Mobility. When I sold my previous startup and became a fighter, I've got injured, spent 6 months in rehabilitation, and came up with a new medical device solution. Each year, 100,000 fractures in the US lead to incomplete bone healing, costing nearly $44,000 per patient. If your bone doesn't heal, it has to be broken again, and you will need an additional operation. And those problems are $13 billion loss for insurance companies. Doctors are afraid to overload a post-surgical leg because mechanical instability leads to internal fixation failure. But a major risk of incomplete bone healing is delayed loading. So doctors prioritize implant safety over recovery, prescribing 6 to 12 weeks, do not step on your injured leg. And now, thanks to our FDA-cleared Smart Crutch Tips, patients can finally start loading their legs earlier without risk of damaging implants and expedite recovery by 10 weeks. We expect to obtain the device rent reimbursement of 25% from the money we will save to payers. Competition is weight sensors embedded to insoles or sandals. Our solution is better because it's reusable and much cheaper to produce. The product is complete and registered with FDA and CMS, FCC, HIPAA, quality management system, validation and satisfaction studies have been successfully done. Also, we have 2 issued and 3 pending patents. According to FDA, it takes 7 years to develop and bring to the market a new medical device. And we have done it within 3 years and less than $2 million. It is already in use in level 1 trauma hospitals, and we are in conversation with the payers regarding pilot projects. Experience of our management team covers the entire spectrum of functions related to software, hardware, and medical device business. That's why our investors and mentors from top-level hospitals are confident in our success. You might be asking yourself, wouldn't it be great if this guy had actual scientific evidence to prove the claims he made? Well, you are in luck. I'm happy to present it by your request. Thank you.
Step on the foot harder. Step on the foot harder. Step on the foot harder.